Hey guys, good day to everyone. Just a quick review with my previous trade regarding this GBP USD. Currently, I'm now trailing stop to 360 pips, and it is in 416 pips currently right now. Euro GBP 170 pips trailing stop. Here is my sell entry, and I add one. So right now I'm running 217 pips for CAD CHF. It's still on a range trade, so I'm waiting to break this support, and then I will move my trading stop further. So I got this I got this trade August 15. So it's almost 3 weeks now. August 15, yeah, 3 weeks now. And then the Euro GBP, August 19. So almost uh 1 week and 3 days. CAD CHF, August 15 also 3 weeks. Um, I think I got this one right here. Yeah, and then my stop loss. So that's it, guys. I will update if this trade goes well or hit my stop loss or trailing stop. Thank you, guys, and keep safe, everyone.